Hey everyone, let us see how a Java program can be written for an Armstrong number, whether to find it is a Armstrong number or not. So what is an Armstrong number? Armstrong number is a special kind of number where you can choose an integer of any number of digits, and the thing you're going to do is you are going to take all the digits of the particular number and divide it into three parts. I'm going to cube each digit and I'm going to sum it up. So if the sum is equal to the original number, then that is the Armstrong number. As you can see over here, 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube gives 153. That means 153 is our Armstrong number. Now let us take the example of 123. When if we split it into three digits and we cube them and add them up, you have 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, which gives you 36 and not 123, which shows that 123 is not an Armstrong number. So what happens when we take 153 as the Armstrong number? That is going to be the n value, and we have sum, which is an integer variable initialized to 0. So we're taking the last part of the digit and we are adding up it in the sum by cubing it. So 3 is the last digit, I added it up, so it became 3 cube, which is 27. So I need to remove that 3 from the last place. So I'm dividing this number by 10, which gives me 15. 153 by 10, which gives me 15. So I've removed the last digit. Now I'm going to take the second digit from the last, which is 5, and I'm going to cube it and add it to the sum value, which is going to look like this. So 27 plus 5 cube is going to get stored in my sum, which is 152. So now I need to remove this 5 from here and take only 1. So I need to divide 15 by 10. So when I divide 15 by 10, the value becomes 1. So I'm going to take this digit and cube it and add it to 152. So 1 cube gives me 1, 1 plus 152 gives me 153. Therefore, the sum is 153. This is how the logic actually looks like. So here I have a class called arms in which I have my main function, and inside this I have c is equal to 0, a and temp, which are the integer variables, and here I have given int n is equal to 153, or you can take the user's input for checking the number is Armstrong or not. Here I have a while loop which checks whether the number is greater than 0 or not. So what I'm going to do is, the first thing, I'm going to take the number, I'm going to mod it by 10, and I'm going to save it in the A. So it means A is going to contain the first two digits and the last digit is removed. So after this, I do n is equal to n by 10. Here I have c is equal to c plus a into a into a, which is going to store the product of the sum. So if here I say if temp, the variable which I've taken, is equal to c, that is the sum value, which is having the cube of sum of cubes, if both of them are equal, I'm going to say that is an Armstrong number. If they're not equal, I'm going to say that it is not an Armstrong number. So I have given the input as n, which is 153, and 153 is an Armstrong number, which we have seen. So when I run the file, the output is an Armstrong number. So when I change this to 222, and when I run the file, I can see it is not an Armstrong number. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching.